Hi there, my name is Jeff Rose. I'm the executive chef at C.A.Y.A Smokehouse in Wolverine Lake. We're a smokehouse restaurant that has been here about 4 years. I'm the opening chef and part owner. I've been cooking since 1990. I went to Michigan State, have a degree in hotel restaurant management, and I've been cooking the whole time. I started as a dishwasher, worked my way up through the years as executive chef, and now I own my own place. Summer is usually our busiest time of the year, but we're steady all through the winter. From the smoker side of the menu, being a smokehouse, the ribs and the brisket are two of our best sellers. The entree side of the menu, the gumbo, the tuna, the salmon are some of our best entrees. But we're dinner only during the week, and Saturday, Sunday we do brunch. So we have an amazing brunch menu. $3 mimosas and Bloody Marys is a great way to start, and great food. We change the menu seasonally, probably 5-6 times a year with everything that's local and great in Michigan. We use a local farm right up the street called Tollgate Farms. It's about 2 miles away. So during summer seasons, fall, we can get all our vegetables right from around the corner. Today we're going to cook the chicken, shrimp, and sausage gumbo. People seem to love it. It uses local chicken that we smoke in-house, sausage we make ourselves, and a local shrimp from Lansing. We're going to start with a nice hot saute pan. We're going to add our chicken and our shrimp, a little salt, pepper, and just a touch of oil. The chicken has been cold smoked, so it's got that nice smoky, rich flavor. And we're just going to pan sear it to give it a little seasoning and give it a nice little crispness to it. Then we're going to add our sausage, cook that. Then we're going to add our gumbo sauce. Our sauce has celery, carrot, onion, brown roux, sassafras, white pepper, black pepper, tons of great spices that really wake it up for winter and make just a great hearty dish. Traditionally, gumbo is sometimes a soup. We serve it over a bed of rice and make it more of an entree. This is one dish for one person. It's a lot of food. We do big portions here. I don't believe people should leave hungry, so you get what you pay for. Now, during the week, we open at 4:30. We don't do lunch, but we do corporate catering, so we can drop off to offices and things like that for a minimum of 10 people. We have a great bar, great food. All of our people that have been here once or twice have come now, 10. They're all regulars. We're the hidden gem of Wolverine Lake.